Hello everyone! Welcome to our market update for January 2023. In the first month of the year, we've seen jumbo interest rates drop by as much as 1% and in some cases even below 5%. This has led to an increase in buyers' pre-approval applications and multiple offers on many houses on the market. In some cases, we have seen as much as 58 offers on a home. If you're considering buying a house with 20% down, a 1% drop in interest rate would mean that you can now afford a home that is 10% higher in purchase price with similar monthly payment. For example, if your budget was $2 million, now you can afford to buy a $2.2 million house and still benefit from the 10 to 15% price drop that we saw in the last 6 months. We see a lot of activities in the market with many homes receiving multiple offers and selling over asking prices. For buyers, let us help find the right property for your situation. For sellers considering moving out of the area or upgrading, this could be a great opportunity. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let us help you with your next move in 2023.